Hi guys!
This is my Nima.
And this is my Arella.
Actually, I am still playing.
Yeah, for our kwentuhan today, I have a surprise question for Arella so we can
Kahit naglalaro ako,
see
guys.
how smart she is. Yeah, while she's playing, I can ask her questions. Okay, ito muna yung pinaglalaroan niya. Yung kanya naman little dollhouse.
No, it's big mansion.
Okay, here's the question. Where do you prefer to go? On a beach or a mountain? Ano yan ha? For
Beach.
example, you will explore, you will have an expedition.
Beach.
Mamamasyal ka.
Beach.
Siyempre, pag sa beach ka, magda-diving ka, lahat ng mga water activities, you will do that.
I want
And pag sa mountain naman, hiking.
bungee
Yes.
jumping.
You're right. Oh, which do you prefer? Ano yung gusto mo doon? Ha? Beach. Why beach?
Because I want to play the sand.
Play this ay pambata lang yun eh. Oh, sa bagay, bata ka pa naman. Oh, what else? What else you want to do in the beach?
I want to see the fire dance.
Want to see the fire dance? Okay.
Mahilig ako doon, guys.
Yeah, you look here, you look here.
Mahilig ako sa fire dance.
Okay. What else? Sa beach, water activities like parasailing.
Ayoko.
You will,
Ay, parang saying, gusto ko yun.
alam mo ba yun? Ginawa ni Tita La?
Ay, yung ginawa ni Mami din. Yung
Oh, tsaka ni Mami.
nasa sky sila, nasa...
Yes.
First,
First,
baba sila sa water.
nasa boat ka, di ba?
Mm.
Tapos yung boat, pupunta kayo dun sa malayo. Sa malayo, sa medyo malalim na. Tapos, pagka malayo na kayo, you will, alam ko, you're wearing a parachute.
Bibitaw ka na?
Hindi na, parang lilipad ka ng gano'n. Kasi ako, ayoko talaga ito yan eh. Yun, nakatali yung parachute nyo dun sa boat. So, yan, while the boat is going kung saan-saan, tapos ikaw nandun sa taas. You like that?
Yes, because I will say, I believe I can fly. I believe I
Yeah,
can
talaga,
touch
kaya mo yan ha. How about snorkeling?
Ayoko.
You will go under the water.
Poison. Wait. There's a poison jellyfish.
Yeah, I know.
I don't.
Pero they will not harm you naman.
They will harm you sa lips.
Unless you're not hurting them. Unless you're not harming
They
them.
will harm you.
So ayaw mo ng snorkeling.
I
Ano pa ba? Ano pa ba?
Guys, I will invite you to my pet.
Dali, what else? What
Little monkey, Humpty Dumpty.
water activities you want? Yun lang alam ko eh. Riding how about ano ba yun? Ano ba yung nag-ano ka sa
Submarine!
hindi, while there's wave surfing. You want surfing?
Ayoko. Gusto ko...
Kailangan mo lang doon balancing.
Ay, hindi ko
You'll
kaya.
be very good in balancing.
Sasabi ko,
Kasi you really need a lot of practice for that.
Hi, ang unggoy.
Okay. What else?
Ang unggoy.
Do you have anything in mind
No.
for water activities?
No.
Pero gusto mo talaga beach. How about the banana boat? Madali lang yun. Yun lang nagawa ko yata.
Banana boat gusto ko.
Okay, good
At
job.
yung, ano yung ganito, may paddle, gaganto kayo.
Yung paddleboard.
Ay, oo nga, nagganon kami ng mami ko.
Kaya mo yun.
Yes,
You
sabi
want
ko,
that?
wait,
Okay, so, beach or mountain?
Or sasabi ko,
She
make me
preferred
sweat,
beach.
make me hotter, make me loose.
Masyadong maingay.
Wait lang. Sasabi ko sa beach, pagpapalingan ko, make me sweat, kahit malayo ko, make me sweat, make me hotter.
Okay. Okay, me too. Kung ako tatanungin mo, I prefer the activities in the beach. Okay?
Tutulakin kita.
Ayoko rin ng mountain. Takot ako sa ahas.
Ahas.
I'm scared of snakes.
Gagawa kita ahas.
Okay, thank you for answering my question, Rella. Thank you guys for watching
See
our
you later.
kwentuhan. Till our next video.
Wait,
Bye!
Wait, guys, put your one leg up. And then put the other one up. Go down. And then... Wait up. Go up. Try to jump. And then... spin around.
Okay?
And
Okay.
then sit down.
Ano
Ow!
pa yung ginagawa mo? Okay, till next video. Bye. God bless.
Bye, mommy.
Say.
Bye, God bless.